Because we can factor, we should. So y over y plus 8 is equal to 128 over difference of squares that would factor into y minus 8 times y plus 8 plus 9. Now we can go ahead and multiply by that lowest common multiple, which is going to be y minus 8 times y plus 8. That will cancel all those denominators. We have to multiply it into each term. So on the left, we get a little cancellation, and we're left with y times y minus 8. And on the right, we're going to get some cancellation on the first time. Those denominators are going to cancel, leaving me with 128. But the second multiplication, no canceling, so I have 9 times y minus 8 times y plus 8. And now it's just time to start multiplying everything out so that I can rearrange and solve. So it's going to be 8y plus 8y, 64. Middle terms will cancel. So that's going to be 9y squared times 9 minus 64. And that, in my calculator, is minus 576. So now let's go ahead and solve. So rearranging, subtract y squared, and add 8y. I'm just doing it, moving things from the left-hand side, because that makes my life a lot easier to have positive y squared terms. 128 minus 576, we get minus 448. I'm going to try dividing this by 8. And sure enough, it is divisible by 8, which means I have a common factor, which makes my life a lot easier. Makes our lives a lot easier. So I can factor this. 56, the first two factors that come to mind are 7 and 8, and I think those will work if I have positive 8 and negative 7, because I have to get negative 56. So that would be 8 times y minus 7 times y plus 8. So my solutions would be y equals negative 7, or sorry, y equals positive 7 or y equals negative 8. But I have to check them against my non-permissible values, which were y cannot be equal to negative 8, and from the second one, which we can see in the factored form, we also can't have y cannot be equal to positive 8. So because of these non-permissible values, I have to reject one of my solutions, which means that the only solution is y equals positive 7.